We saw previously how the leading tone has a strong tendency to resolve up by step to the tonic, and how chordal sevenths have a strong tendency to resolve down by step. This video focuses on voice leading with 5/7, also known as the dominant seventh, which is the most common seventh chord in many repertoires. 5/7 has an especially strong sense of direction because it contains both the leading tone and a chordal seventh, which, taken together, form a tritone. This powerful gravitational force renders 5/7 unstable, a feature composers often use to their advantage by placing it directly before the final tonic of a piece. The specific tendencies of the leading tone and chordal seventh, however, result in some unusual voicings. When 5/7 progresses to 1, for instance, the proper resolution of these tendency tones results in an incomplete 1 chord in which the root is tripled and the fifth is omitted. Tripling the root in this case can be an advantage if your goal is to emphasize the stability of the tonic, but doing so sacrifices the richness of a complete chord. There are two main solutions to this problem. The first solution involves omitting a note from the 5/7 chord to create an incomplete chord. Rather than writing a complete 5/7, leave out the fifth and double the root. Because the fifth of 5/7 contributes least to its distinctive quality, in that it's neither a tendency tone nor a chordal root, omitting it doesn't weaken the dominant seventh's strong sense of direction. The second solution involves placing the leading tone in an inner voice and leaving it unresolved, instead leaping down by third to the fifth of 1. This is the only way to achieve a complete 5/7 and a complete 1. Because the outer voices of a 4-voice setting are the most perceptually salient, the leading tone's lack of resolution does not create a bump in the texture as it would if it were in an outer voice, like the soprano or bass. This example summarizes the three main possibilities for voice leading with complete and incomplete chords in a 5/7 to 1 progression.